Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of BSc Information Technology at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I am going to explain about Agile methodology in software project management. The Agile methodology is a project management approach that involves breaking the projects into phases and emphasize continuous collaboration and improvements. It is a teamwork, so the teams follows a cycle of planning, executing and evaluating. The examples for Agile strategies. By undergoing these yearly discussions, we can determine the Agile strategy that will be undertaken within adopt toward. We have four key practices we initially operate under. After our assessment, we will undertake our work using one of the following or combination of all. It has four strategies: Agile operating model delivery, Agile delivery improvement and scale, Agile business design and innovation, business agility consulting and training. Agile transformation. When embarking on an agile transformation of any kind, it's important to start off the right way. This does not mean it needs to start a big. In fact, often times we may encourage pilot teams. If the organization is global and is looking to roll a new business model across many teams and regions, this can be useful as a business change can involve thousands of people. Pilot teams can be the way to start. Other times or not. Have a look at our article on the top down versus bottom up approaches. Here, the Agile methodologies. The very term Agile methodology may be confusing, misleading, or obstructive to someone. Many times we will engage within the organization who have hired us to review their business model and are looking for a new business design to lead them into a future. Agile may not even enter the conversation. Examples of Agile methodologies. For further Agile examples, we can head over to our feature stories where we highlight the real life stories from some of our clients and guests. Since Agile methodology is a very popular software project management technology, which divides entire project management techniques into a number of phases. For example, planning, designing, execution, and implementation. In planning phase, we have a number of team members, team peoples who are working for preparing a blueprint. A blueprint which demonstrates the future development of a project development that will be initiated by the end users. If it is initiated successfully, then then another team will simultaneously start the designing work. Under this designing work, they are gathering about design requirements, software requirements, hardware requirements, and processing requirements they are collecting and hand over to the another team. The third team will start the execution, that means processing of codings, and they are starting to work with user interface and designing and developing an user interface. This part of Agile technology, we call it as a coding session or development session. In this session, the team will develop what the user actually expecting from the project teams. After this coding session, the Agile team will continuously test those development part of the modules from the project. So it will be if it will be a successful one, then they will stop that work and proceed to the another module. If any drawbacks or any queries found inside the module, those who have been developed by the development team, it will be a rework and it will be considered as an error, and it can be rectified by the team which are developing already those modules. So after completing all the modules, we have integrated all the modules and test once again the core process of expected project will be work or not. This is the final stage. After completing all the testing and integration process, we can showcase our demonstration to the end users for knowing about the working structure and style of the project, newly developed project. This is done simultaneously by the within the agile development framework. So this agile technology is a very famous and a very familiar project management in software engineering, which uses a various technologies like Scrum, Carbon, etc. Thank you.